Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tech products out there. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Cooler MasterFan MF120 Halo White Fan. If you're a PC builder or just looking to upgrade your system's cooling and aesthetics, this is hands down the best white Halo fan on the market. With its stunning RGB lighting, solid performance, and ultra-quiet operation, it's a fan that not only keeps your system cool but also makes it look amazing. The first thing that stands out about this fan is the duo ring addressable RGB lighting. Cooler Master has gone above and beyond with this design, featuring 24 individually controlled RGB LEDs that create a mesmerizing lighting effect. Whether you're building a PC for performance or purely for the looks, the customizable lighting will make your rig shine, and if you have a white-themed setup, it's a perfect match. The dual ring lighting, one on the inside and one on the outer ring, offers a depth of illumination that adds a whole new level of visual appeal to your build. But it's not just about looks, this fan is engineered for performance. The MasterFan MF120 Halo uses a hybrid static pressure blade design, which means it's built to handle airflow resistance effectively. Whether it's pushing air through a liquid CPU cooler radiator or working with a mesh chassis, it delivers consistent performance while minimizing resistance. This design helps optimize airflow, ensuring your system stays cool, even during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. One of the standout features of this fan is its silent cooling technology. With noise reduction materials and sound-absorbing components, the MF120 Halo operates at a whisper-quiet level. You won't have to worry about your system sounding like a jet engine while you're working or gaming. And thanks to its sealed bearing design, the fan is built to last. It resists dust and prevents lubricant leakage, so you can expect longer lifespan and quieter performance over time. For those who need flexibility, the MF120 Halo offers PWM fan control, which allows you to adjust the fan speed dynamically between 650 RPM and 1800 RPM. This means you can choose between quiet operation or maximized airflow, depending on your system's needs. If you prefer to have precise control over your system's cooling, this feature makes it easy to balance noise levels and performance. Another fantastic feature of the MF120 Halo is its ARGB header extender. This comes in handy if you have multiple ARGB devices but only one ARGB header on your motherboard. The extender acts as a daisy chain connector, making it easy to sync and control all your lighting effects without running into compatibility issues. In terms of physical design, this fan comes in at 120mm, making it compatible with most standard PC cases, radiators, and air coolers. The white edition of the fan has a clean, sleek look that will blend seamlessly into a variety of builds, especially those focused on a minimalist or clean aesthetic. With a noise level of just 30 decibels, this fan is incredibly quiet, especially when you consider the performance it delivers. Whether you're using it for liquid cooling setups, air cooling, or just general case ventilation, the MF120 Halo makes sure your system runs quietly without compromising cooling efficiency. Overall, the Cooler MasterFan MF120 Halo White Fan is an excellent choice if you want a fan that performs well, looks fantastic, and operates quietly. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming PC or just upgrading your case's cooling system, this fan is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate both the performance and aesthetics of their rig. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews of the latest tech products.